Hi, I'm Lorraine Rimlin from watercolorartisan.com, and I'm here to share some exciting news with you. I will be starting to teach watercolor on Zoom in September. So let me tell you what's going on. I have a two-part class. The first part, Acknowledging the Negative, a watercolorist guide to negative painting, where I will show you the importance of value, and we'll do two simple exercises to really walk you through how to paint the negative shapes. And the following week, Saturday the 18th, part two, will be a little more advanced, and you'll be working on beautiful textured washes that when dry, we'll do our negative painting on. And we'll work with exercises on trees and flowers. Both programs are on Saturdays, starting 10 a.m. till 1 p.m. I really do hope you'll consider joining me. You can purchase one or both programs. And as an added bonus, I'm offering you, if you go to my website and sign up to my newsletter, you will receive a coupon code for $10 off each of the programs. So please join me as I help you paint the negative and get positive results. You have a great day, and I'll see you soon.